Now we're talking a 1969 Mustang Fastback Mach 1, one of the most beautiful cars ever made. And this one's factory black with red interior. Only 640 Fastbacks produced in these colors. Not just Mach 1s, but Fastbacks. And this thing's loaded up. VIN number match motor, factory colors, 351, air, power steering, power disc brakes, spoilers, louvers, deluxe interior. Beautiful ground up restored car. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 beautiful cars. Each one will have a monthly payment and a price tag, including this one right here. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it's a knockout. This has the blackout hood treatment, so it has that satin black painted stripe on the middle with the outline around it, and the rest is gloss black. And when you walk up on this car, the paint is stunning. It is straight, it's beautiful, but it's an older paint job. Here's a little chip on the edge of the hood touched up. So a few minor flaws, but nobody notices them when you walk up. A little chip there, it was touched up probably a long time ago. All smooth at the bottom, all nice and clean at the bottom. Few chips on the edge of the door. All nice painted jams. Shuts real nice. Roof is real nice. There's a hairline crack on the quarter panel there. Looks like a hair lane there. All this looks beautiful, shiny, polished, straight. And with the red decal stripes, it is stunning. Just look at the body lines, that fastback style. This is all beautiful mint. Look at the reflection in the paint. You could read a book in the paint job. All this is excellent all the way down. Here's a little hairline crack right there. Door shuts real nice and solid. All this is beautiful. Has the sport mirrors, all looking really sharp. Beautiful. All the trim is real nice. Has the chrome wheels that look really sharp with reproduction polyglass tires, even the fifth one in the trunk, which we'll show you in a little bit. And then up front here, the bumper, the grille, the trim, the emblems, the front spoiler, all that looks to be in excellent shape. Has the racing pins. Has turn signals at the back of the hood scoop. They work. I just tried them myself. Correct antenna looks new. Crystal clear windshield. All the moldings are straight and shiny. Door handle, emblem, all that's real nice. I was pointing out the crack. It's just right here, and it's like a hair. The louvers, the spoilers, all satin black. It just really looks great on this car. And as we come around the back, the bumper, the gas cap, tail lights, all of it's beautiful. So why don't we check out that red interior and show you under the hood. Let's look inside the trunk compartment of this stunning Mustang. Well, underneath here is painted, the stickers replaced, the latch mechanism, the weather strip, all looks really good. There's a wire going up here, so must have a light socket. The jam is painted real nice. The whole inside's painted black. Look at this, they sprung for a fifth matching tire. These are not cheap, and when a guy does that, he's not cutting corners. It even has a matching wheel. This little piece of gray felt is actually correct. They came that way. Here's the correct jack with the sticker on it. Here's the original carburetor, literally a stack of manuals. The trunk mat, and because it has the fold-down sport deck seat, this also opens up and goes into the interior of the car. So very clean and complete trunk compartment. Now when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. The jams are very clean, tidy, shiny. Weather strips look good. And now it's a deluxe interior, and that includes the molded door panels. The wood grain is working lights in the door panels, all in very nice shape. The dash pad has been replaced. The whole instrument panel is mint. Look at the wood and the plastic. All the gauges. There's a factory tachometer, factory style. Factory air conditioned vents here in the dash. All this is nice and clean. AM radio, the heater control panel is real nice. It has a clock that's actually ticking. All this is very good. Interior lights work. Kick panels are real nice. Has the fresh carpet with the mats that are sewn right into it. Full center console, the whole shifter, all of this is real nice. Original seat belts in really good shape. Has a nice armrest as part of the console. High back bucket seats are upholstered. And there we go. Look at that. Fold down seat, all carpeted, all the trim is real nice, all the plastic moldings, the lights. And then you want to use it as a seat. There you go. That's all been reupholstered. Seat belts, all complete. Nice red headliner, looks like it's replaced. Even has the shoulder belts. The visors look like new. The mirror's real nice. Even has the starting instructions. The steering wheel looks like it's restored or replaced. It's a rim blow horn, pretty neat. So what a really nice interior. There's a lot of detail in this engine compartment. It is the 351M code, so this is the 4-barrel engine, 300 horsepower, fantastic motor, and it's all stock. You can see the manifolds, valve covers, even the spark plug wires are reproduction. They say Autolite right on them. The complete air cleaner, and see this down here, even the heat riser tube, that's always gone. But it's all there. Here's the choke tube, the factory finishes, all looks real nice. Here's the buck tag that's not always there. This has some of the option codes. It says black. So this is a factory black car. It's documented with the Marti Report as well. All the seams look nice and clean. The bolts, the finishes, battery is secured. Looks like a correct alternator, and everything looks fresh. Autolite hose and clamps, proper radiator, shroud, even Ford belts. Got both the horns up front, factory air conditioning. We just replaced the compressor. As of right now, the air is working. It's updated with the newer Freon. It has power steering, it has power brakes, and very detailed. It has the hood insulation, and we'll get to the undercarriage in a minute, but this is what the undercarriage looks like too. It's very well sorted, very detailed. Michael's going to take you for a drive, and we'll continue in a few minutes.
Alright everybody, what a sweet looking Mach 1 this is. The colors are just incredible. She's been real good to me so far. Got in, started right up, runs smooth. Nice 351 under the hood. Got a very original look to it, but it's been redone of course. And then that's paired up with the automatic transmission as well. Nice easy ride here. Get in and do some cruising. It looks so cool when you're doing it. To check out the clock over there is ticking. It looks like the movement was replaced. Fantastic ride. Got the rim blow horn on here. Air conditioning, power steering, power brakes as well. And you can see how nice it runs. Check out that idle right there. Interior is comfortable as well. Let's see what she's got. Alright, and just like that, we are up to 60 miles an hour. Man, What a great running engine. I was about halfway in the throttle, and those are the results that we get. This thing is just smooth and precise. Ticks like a clock, man. See how it goes down the road here. Great setup on the front end there. No complaints at all. Go ahead and contact our sales team. Joey or Eric would be more than happy to help you guys out, arrange a test drive or any other answer any questions for you that you may have. And yeah, go ahead and check out all the details at volocars.com.
This trunk light, it is here and it's working. I just couldn't find it, but it's there. Underneath looks like the motor compartment, all the components, the steering, the suspension. Now this is what they called the competition suspension, is what they put in the Mach 1s. All looks proper, good, clean. Has disc brakes in front, drum in back, e-brake is all hooked up. The fuel system looks all clean and proper. The exhaust looks to be excellent and correct. It has a crossover pipe, has like 2 resonators, and then it has the 1 transverse sideways muffler, and then the Mach 1 tips, quad tips going out through the valance. It's all there. The floors look spotless. The floors, the frame rails, all that's real nice, clean, like a semi-gloss black. Looking up at the motor, it's nice and clean. We will put a picture of the VIN number on the back of the block right below the head. Kind of hard to get at, but we do check those, and we'll put a picture of the VIN number that matches the car. It is stamped back there. This came with the FMX automatic transmission, standard rear end with, I think, 325 gears. So what a car. The option list is amazing. The colors are off the charts. My dad's always pushing me to get good colors, get good colors. It makes a difference. It makes the car more valuable and desirable. People want something that's going to turn heads, and this one's going to do it. So go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer questions like how to get your Mach 1 delivered home, and if you need help with financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.